Hello guys, how are you? It's me, Manuel, your English teacher. Now we are going to continue with the future simple, but in questions, to do questions. Vamos a ver el tiempo futuro con preguntas. Ok, use of will. Esta es la estructura. Cambia en que we use first will, second the subject, next the verb, and next the rest. Siempre va a ser así. Primero will, luego el sujeto y luego el verbo. Y el resto para la pregunta, ¿no? The question mark. Plus the question. Entonces vamos a empezar, seguir con los verbos, nuestro listo de verbos, important verbs. And we got this list. So let's start with see, ¿no? See, mirar. Will you see the bicycle race? Will you see the bicycle race? I'll see them riding in the avenue. Of course. Entonces, tenemos dos formas de responder, o afirmativo o negativo. Entonces decimos, yes, I will. O, no, I won't. Casi siempre que utilicemos esta respuesta, pues podemos dar alguna información extra, ¿no? Entonces, por ejemplo, ¿verás la carrera? You will see the bicycle race? Yes, I will. I'll see them in the avenue. Okay? Listo, vamos con la siguiente. Do. Do. What will you do in Palomino? What will you do? I'll do surf. I'll do surf. Next one, 30. Cook. Cook. So for cook or make, we got what will you cook? What will your mother cook, for example? So look at here, she will cook some cakes, some cupcakes, right? With do, we have what will you do for do the chores. Entonces para hacer los quehaceres tenemos do the chores. Entonces what will you do? Entonces she'll do the cleaning and he, the carpet with a towel maybe. She'll do the cleaning of the carpet and he will do the brooming. The brooming in the temple. Probable. Next one. To have. Then we have have. Where will the couple have their honeymoon? They will have it in the Caribbean. All right, it's a question. There is a question. Next will be. Where will you be this weekend? Maybe I'll be watching a white tiger in the zoo. That would be probable. Next, with take. Let's do it with one with take. So, will you wait for me? Yes, I will. I will wait in the airport. And we continue with another example with do. Do to do the chores. And let's see, in the farm, en la finca, ¿qué haremos? ¿Qué harán ellos en la finca? What will they do in the farm? Okay, so maybe this farmer, he will wash the cows and his son will wash the car. Okay, next with take. What will the couple do? They'll take the dog out to the park. Next one, with work. Let's see with work. Where will they work this afternoon? ¿Dónde trabajarán o qué harán en esta tarde? Maybe he'll work in a house construction. She, for example, no, she won't work. She'll work out in the park. She will or she'll work out in the park. And people in the office in the afternoon, they won't work because they are in the break time. So they will be speaking and drinking coffee, right? Next that we got 35, we got sleep. 37, excuse me, sleep. I think he won't, definitely no. Well, look, he never will. Next, where he will sleep in the forest. Where will he sleep in the forest? Look, he will sleep in a hammock. Oh, it's really relaxing, a hammock. he'll sleep in a hammock. And finally, we have with die. Okay? Will they die playing video games? For example, she, yes, she will. She will die playing uh, in a video game. And look, in 10 seconds, how to die. You will die in 10 seconds playing in the tank games. One more that we have with die. For example, if you go to the forest, will they die hiking in the forest? Yes, they will. It's a probability. Why? Well, if they don't drink water, they'll die. Si no beben agua, morirán. If they don't drink water, they'll die. Another option, if they get hurt, they'll die. De pronto se get hurt, they will die. If they won't die if they get the correct medical attention. Okay, so this is the structure about the use of will for questions. Entonces nos queda, vamos a hacer una tarea. The homework will be, you are going to use these ones: give, drive, leave, and go. Vamos a utilizar estos verbos para realizar un texto sobre sus próximas vacaciones. Alright? Using these ones: give, drive, leave, and go. Write it here in the commentaries. Goodbye. Be good.